Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer 9.0 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to netaccord.com. Then click on login. If you don't have account, use Google or you can sign up here. I have already created account. So provide email or you can use Google account, that is Gmail. So you got the dashboard. Now click on these three horizontal lines. Then see here we have the Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on it. Then click on is getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. Then we have to enroll. I have already enrolled, so I'm going to resume course. In your case, enroll it. It is free to enroll. Then see here in the first section we have the download Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on it. Then see here the link to download. Click on it. Scroll down. See here we have the Packet Tracer 9.0 for Ubuntu. And system requirements are we must have Ubuntu 22.04 LTS versions. Click on this Packet Tracer 9.0. I am on Ubuntu 24.04. So click on this Packet Tracer 9.0. Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on it to download. See, download started and its size is 373 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Now go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. Now we have to install this package. Sudo dpkg -i Cisco, press that up to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, it is failed because this package, this dependency package is not installed. So install these two packages. Sudo apt install, copy this one, paste it. Again copy this one, paste it. If you run this command, it will ask us to run the apt fix broken install command. It will install both these packages. Anyway, hit enter. See, we got the same. Okay, so run this command. This will install both the dependencies. Copy it. Hit enter. See, it is installing both the packages. Okay, type and hit enter. I just pressed Q. Then type 2, that is to accept the URL. URL means end user license agreement, and hit enter. Now install the Cisco Packet Tracer Debian package. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. See, here we have the Cisco Packet Tracer 9.0.0. Click on it to open. Would you like to run multi-user when application starts? Select yes. Click on this login. Then go to web browser. See here, you have successfully logged into Cisco Packet Tracer because we have already logged in. That's why it automatically logged in. Okay, so go to Cisco Packet Tracer. See, you got the logical and physical emulations. Okay, see here you can drag these options. Then you can drag and you can practice. So you can practice networking concepts. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer version 9.0 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.